welcome to Gusto News on Gusto TV. My name is Ifeoluwa, and today on the news, I'll be doing news around Zlatan Ibile. Of course, I also have Rema in my news and Peruzzi. Of course, before I go on, I'd like to say a big thank you to you guys for all you do for us. Thank you for the likes, thank you for comments, thank you for telling people about what we do here at the Gusto. And of course, if you're new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell so you get to see our content once they drop. Starting the news with Zlatan Ibile, world president, and of course the Zanku boss himself. Zlatan Ibile is a street artist and of course has been able to carve a niche for himself at that, with that genre of music. Is one person to reckon with when you think of, street music, creating dance step, creating songs that are actually danceable and, can get people to actually be body more. So of course, Zlatan is one person that comes to our mind when it comes to street music. Zlatan recently has released a new song that he titled Cho Cho Cho, and everybody is dancing to it. You can see the video. The challenge is going on. The challenge actually has money on it, and I said the winner is going to get a certain amount of money and also some gadgets from a particular brand, and a whole lot of that, knowing that that particular song has Davido, the DMW boss, on it. And of course, Mayor Kun, still in the DMW gang, is also on that particular one. A lot of video has been flying around from challenge within Nigeria, even outside Nigeria. People from the international space as well be sending in their video for that particular challenge. We also saw Don Jazzy himself of Maven Record has also jumped on that particular one, and the video actually reposted it. That's to tell you how much Cho 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 is actually having its time and the wave of the moment. Moving on to a tweet he put up on his Twitter page that has to do with a trend at the moment. At the moment we hear a lot of people both online and offline talking about cut soap for me. Now some people has come out to say, what, it doesn't mean the literal meaning of giving somebody soap to probably have their bath or for them to be successful and a lot of that. It could actually mean you just helping people. It could mean you seeing an opportunity that could help your friend or your brother, and you just let them know about it, or information that could be of help to somebody around you. Do let them know about it. Well, to this end, Zlatan has actually come out to talk about that on his Twitter page. He has said to people that, what, for those of you actually looking for soap and going online to say cut soap for me, guy cut soap for me, friend cut soap for me, if you actually wish people well, if you support people in whatever they do, definitely you're going to be successful, and you wouldn't need people to maybe cut soap for you or maybe help you. Sometimes all you need to do is just support people, wish people well, be happy when people are successful, when people do something, appreciate them, and do not beef people. So if you do all those things, actually you will be successful and would not necessarily need anybody to cut soap for you. Could be the cut soap for you in the normal one, we believe, or somebody helping you when there's an opportunity. Just be good to people, wish them well, and definitely it's just a natural law. If you do people good, if you wish people well, same will come to you. And that's from the stable of Zlatan Ibile, the Zanku president himself. Well, moving to the second on my news is Peruzzi. Of course, Peruzzi is having a good time at the moment with his Rum and Boogie album that he released. Peruzzi is signed to DMW, of course, and he has been able to do a lot of things for himself, especially with his album that has been doing well and have been getting good criticism from people both offline and online. Of course, the single that he first released was Somebody Baby, which he had Davido on it, and other songs he released before the release of that particular album, and they were doing well. And of course, the album came, and of course, it topped the Apple charts within few hours of it being released, and everybody was celebrating, including Davido celebrated him, saying that, what, you deserve all you've got. Because in an interview recently, he talked about how Davido is his motivation, how he works so hard despite the fact he's from a rich home. So of course himself has to work hard just as his boss is also doing. He also talked about the fact that people are just saying things about Chioma. He debunked that particular story that people go about, or he's having something to do with Chioma, who is said to be Davido's fiancé, and he has been able to debunk that in an interview. Well, knowing that the year has actually started, the first quarter of the year started good with him, for him releasing an album that has been doing well, getting good criticism, and of course had the airplay at the moment. So he has actually come out to put up a tweet telling us that the year is actually going to be a big one for him. We don't know, probably he's working on something else, but of course, with how much his album has been doing on streaming platforms and offline, with how much people are actually listening to him, with so much interview, beginning to see him in a lot of interview, both from online to print media, everybody's actually been having one discussion or the other with Peruzzi. So definitely for him to come out and say, you know what, this year is actually going to be a big one for him. Of course, you might be seeing things already. What is happening around him is actually giving him a clue that the year is a big one for him, looking at what he has been able to achieve so far in the first quarter of the year with his album, and probably other things that are coming to him outside music or other things he is working to do. He said it's going to be a big year for him. We wish him all the best, and of course say amen to that particular one by Peruzzi. Well, moving on to Rema. Of course, you know, Rema is actually signed to Mavin Record. He's one of the Mavin dynasty. He's one of the young guys in Mavin at the moment, with the likes of Arya Star, Ruga, and you know, others that are actually doing well. Rema, of course, won the Next Rated in 2020 Headies Award, and in the just concluded Headies Award, he snatched another award, you know, at that particular one. Remember, his manager come out to talk about how successful Rema has been over the year, ever since he came into the industry in about 2 years. He has been able to sing songs that have become global hits. He has multi-million dollars endorsements. He has cars. He has mansions to his credit. All this he has done just within the age of 20. His manager said he is proud of him, even if he just have singles and EPs to his credit. But this time around, he has also put up a picture that is actually giving us a hint that Rema is actually working on an album. After 2 years in the industry, EPs, singles that have gone, you know, globally and has become hits. Of course, the recent one we have is actually Bounce It, which is still doing well on streaming platform. The video as well has been getting everybody to, you know, dance, and also word to see Don Jazzy, the boss, putting up videos of people joining that particular challenge and dancing to that music even after about a month of its release. So yeah, you can actually say he has done well for himself, and an album is not a bad idea at this point, because we know his colleagues in the industry, the likes of Fireboy, has actually dropped 2 albums, and he's saying, you know what, for this year, YBNL Boss has come out to say Fireboy is actually working on something else. So of course, it's something we've all been waiting for, and we cannot wait to have Rema on this particular one. An album is coming, according to Rema. We know it's going to be a hit, because of course whatever Rema puts out is definitely going to be a hit. I mean, being in the Mavin house, the Mavin dynasty, the Don Jazzy on this one, you know, he produced the beat of his song Bounce It, so definitely Don Jazzy is going to have a lot of work on this particular album. So of course, it's already a success, we know. Yeah, so this is how I say goodbye on this particular news. If you're new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell so you get to see our content once they drop. Bye.